Okay guys, you are about to face the fall. Welcome to Pyro's Plummet. Guys, can we make some noise? Woo! Okay guys, off you go. Hope you enjoy.
Put your leg yelled on the bar. Hold your arm on the bar. Order? You order?
Attention adventurers waiting in the queue. Please secure any loose-fitting footwear like Crocs, flip-flops, slides, any mobile phones, hats, sunglasses or anything else that could fall from your pocket. When you enter the ride, please enter as quickly as possible. Pull down your bars and fasten your seatbelts.